well, then only one or two explanations make sense. Either you took the gun from the bar to kill Josh, or you took the gun from the bar so that we wouldn't find it because Maggie killed Josh, and you're just trying to cover it up. Okay, maybe you don't understand.
Yeah, okay, I get it, all right.
So which is it, Tom? Am I booking you or Maggie for Josh's murder?
I didn't kill that little dweeb. And I took the gun from the bar because I was worried that maybe Maggie was thinking about it.
What makes you say that?
She was lying to her, filling her head full of ideas about starting her own place,
Like stealing black bar?
or promising Maggie to move her own bar, her own theme restaurant. And all you really wanted to do was just to get her to sack.
Well, that pisses you off, right? Trying to sleep with your girlfriend. Oh, and actually, by the way, I'm not really sure she considers you a boyfriend. Actually, no, I'm sorry, I take that back. I'm completely sure she doesn't consider you a boyfriend. Or Josh. I'm pretty sure it's just a booty call.
I didn't kill Josh.
Well, if you did, and I'm pretty sure you did, that would be one big fall from grace. 3-time world champion. Took on the 80 ICAL, the 80 Triple Crown 2 years in